Welcome to the Vision Perfect video trainer for using report library templates to build custom reports. In this video, you'll learn how you can use the templates that are on the Vision Perfect website to basically build or use as a starting point for custom reports of any type. When you are designing custom reports, Vision Perfect has created a library of report templates on the Vision Perfect website. These templates can be used to import into a custom report to actually have the report that is on the website, or to use the report as a starting point to adjust and tweak it any way that you want. To use a report template, you first need to create a report. So from the report designer, and whichever report type that you're going to use, create a new report. So in this case, we're going to create an individual 2-round event, gross net. And this is going to be a large format scoreboard, 24 by 36 inches, printing to the large format printer. Once the report has been set up, you can then go to the Help menu, go to visionperfect.com, and directly to the report library. From the report library, you will see that there are many different types of custom report templates that can be downloaded. In this case, we're going to look at the 24 by 36 scoreboard templates. And scrolling down the page, you'll see that there are many 24 by 36 scoreboard reports to select from, but in this case we're just looking for an alpha 2-round gross net board, and clicking the view button will actually give you a preview of what the report's going to look like. And in this case, we can see that this report is close to what we're looking for, with round 1 gross and net, round 2 gross and net, and a total gross and net. So if we close the report preview and click on the report name, we can actually download those settings. A screen will open and ask you whether you want to run or save the file, and we want to save this file. And a browser window will open to allow you to select where the file is to be saved, and you want to save it in a location where you can find it if you need to. So in this case, we're going to save this report to C program files, VP Golf downloads, which is a report that was created for downloading files. And the name of the file that we're downloading is the alpha board 2-round 2436. So we can just save that to this location, and as long as this checkbox is unchecked, then once the file has downloaded, you can just run the file or open the folder and run the file. We're going to select to just run the file, and what it's actually going to do is to unzip the file settings for this report layout to a location where the report designer can find them, and it will unzip them into the default location of C program files, VP Golf database, and reports 3. If you are on a network location, you'll need to browse to this location to find those settings. But we're going to go ahead and unzip these settings now, and you can see that the file unzipped successfully. Once the settings have been unzipped, we can close out of that report utility and close the web page, and back on our report designer we can select the option to import, and the report will open to the default location of C program files, VP Golf database, and reports 3. Because you're on a network environment, this opens to a different location. You just need to browse to this location, to the local C program files, VP Golf database, and reports 3 folder, and you will be able to locate the file that was downloaded. And in this case, it was the Alpha board 2-round 2436 board layout. Just double click on that file and it will actually import all those settings into the report designer. Selecting print sample at this point then will open the report that's been downloaded. And you'll see that all of the report settings have indeed been imported into the report layout, and you now have the report layout that was on the website. This report then can be adjusted any way that you want for selecting different fonts, different colors, or inserting graphics, because the graphics that were in the report on the website cannot be downloaded. You need to insert your own graphics. So, making a few font changes, inserting a graphic, you can see that very quickly we have been able to create a custom report from settings that were downloaded from the web. And this concludes the tutorial for using the report template library on the Vision Perfect website.